I'm going to quickly go through how to send an inquiry as a parent and how to mark it as responded in EnrolHQ. So first of all, in the dashboard, you can see that we have an inquiry tab here, and this is where you're going to go in to have an overview over all the inquiries you still need to respond to. When you responded correctly, the inquiries that are listed here, they're going to disappear. And you can also see it by the date range filter. So if your inquiry is not showing up, it's probably because you have a wrong date range filter, or because you've filtered your dashboard incorrectly. So please make sure that you have the correct filters and that you have the correct dates on it based on what you're looking for. Now, when you send an inquiry, you will also get this in the live feed, and you can see here that we have different inquiries that will be shown as soon as they come in, and you can also see which inquiries that has been responded to or not. Now, to send an inquiry, you're going to go into parent links and inquiry to get the actual link, and this is what the parents will see from your website. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually fill in an inquiry as a parent now. I'm going to put in an email address that is already created with a student record in EnrolHQ, just so I don't have to refill the information. And that's why I have this password coming up here now. For a parent that has no record, this information would just be blank basically. But for this record, we can just go through and check that everything is correct. And we can go through and we can select Mary test, that is the student on record, and we can select if that is the record we want to send this inquiry about, or if we want to fill it in for a new student, a sibling, for example. Now, in this case, I'm just going to select Mary. I'm going to check all the information and I'm going to continue. And I can select also which kind of information is this inquiry about. Now, I would like some information about open day, and I need to type in my question as well. So what is the next open day? Now, what about when is the next open day? Okay, and then I'm going to go in, I'm going to submit my inquiry, and that's that. In the back end, I can now go back to the dashboard and I can update it in the live feed. Here we can also see that we just received an email that goes out to the parent that thanks the parent for submitting the inquiry. So in the live feed, we can now see that Lisa Test has submitted an inquiry for Mary Test. And we can also see that Mary Test has an inquiry here from 22nd of August in the inquiries tab. I am just going to click on that, which will take me into the student detailed view. And I can now go into the inquiry tab and see what this inquiry is about. Now, I can see that we need information about open day, and they want to know when is the next open day. And I can click on mark as responded and choose what type of response am I going to send to this parent. Am I going to send them an email? Am I going to give them a phone call? I'm going to send them a letter. Whichever one, let's say it's a phone call, I can go in, I can say that I have given the parent a call and I have given them the information about the next open day, for example, just to have a record of what it is that you guys actually talked about in case someone else needs it for later. If it's an email, I would recommend marking it as responded directly from the comms log, because you're going to go in to the comms log, you're going to click send an email, and you're going to go and click on show last inquiry. From here, you can just click on mark inquiry as responded, which will basically close the inquiry down in the dashboard. So you've done your job and there is nothing more that needs to be done with this inquiry. Or you can leave it as open. You can go and you can send your email as usual, but leave the inquiry open. But to remove it from the dashboard, you need to click on mark inquiry as responded, and then you would leave your note with sent an email with the next open day date. Okay, and then you go in and you actually send your email. If you want to use a template, you would use a template. If not, you can just click on please select, input your email and your subject, which would be open day, and then you can go and preview and send that off to the parent. Now in the comms log, if you update the page and go back, you will now be able to open that, and you will also see that the parent just received the email and that's been sent. If you go back to the inquiry, you can now see that the inquiry we just sent, its profile has several inquiries, but we can now see that the inquiry has been responded and the document has been submitted. And then finally, if I go back into the dashboard, I can see that the inquiry has been responded to, and we can also see that there is no more inquiry in this list. It's going to disappear. Now, if it's still there straight after, it may take up to 5 minutes for it to disappear from this box, just because the system needs a little bit of time, but the live feed will show that instantly. And that's how you respond to inquiries.